Welcome to our channel. Annual financial goal setting provides structure and direction for your money management throughout the year. Follow this comprehensive approach. Step 1. Review the previous year's financial performance, including income earned, expenses paid, savings accumulated, and debt reduced. Identify what worked well and what needs improvement. Step 2. Calculate your expected income for the year from all sources, including salary, bonuses, side income, and investment returns. Be conservative in your estimates to avoid overcommitting. Step 3. Determine your essential expenses for the year, including housing, utilities, transportation, insurance, and food. Add a buffer for unexpected costs to make your budget realistic. Step 4. Set specific savings goals for the year. Common categories include emergency fund, retirement contributions, down payment for a home, vacation fund, and general savings. Step 5. Create debt repayment goals if applicable. Calculate how much you can realistically pay toward credit cards, student loans, or other debts beyond minimum payments. Step 6. Establish investment targets based on your risk tolerance and time horizon. This might include maximizing retirement account contributions or building a taxable investment portfolio. Step 7. Break down annual goals into monthly milestones to make them manageable. For example, if your annual savings goal is $12,000, aim to save $1,000 each month. Step 8. Schedule quarterly reviews to assess progress and make adjustments. Life circumstances change, so flexibility while maintaining forward momentum is key to achieving your annual financial objectives. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.